Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special to talk about. If you're a fan of hypercars, you've probably heard the buzz about the Bugatti Chiron. This automotive marvel has been turning heads since its debut, and we're here to dive deep into what makes this car an engineering masterpiece. The Bugatti Chiron was introduced in 2016 as the successor to the renowned Bugatti Veyron. This hypercar is not just a successor, but a significant leap forward in automotive technology and design. Its goal, let's start with the heart of the Chiron, the engine. The Chiron is powered by a monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. Now, that's a lot of numbers, but here's what it means. This engine produces an astounding 1,500 horsepower. That's enough power to propel this car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Just let that sink in. And if you're wondering about its top speed, get ready for this. The Chiron can reach a blistering 161 miles per hour or 420 kilometers per hour. That makes it one of the fastest production cars in the world. Now, let's talk about design. The Bugatti Chiron is more than just performance. It's a work of art. Its aerodynamic body is designed not only for aesthetics but also for optimal performance. The sleek lines, aggressive front grille, and signature horseshoe design make it instantly recognizable. From the quad-turbocharged engine's cooling vents to the striking rear spoiler, every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance both form and function. It's a car that commands attention wherever it goes. Step inside the Chiron and you're greeted by a world of luxury. The interior is nothing short of opulent. Premium leather, polished metals, and high-tech displays create an environment that's both comfortable and sophisticated. The seats are ergonomically designed for both comfort and support, ensuring that even at extreme speeds, you're firmly in place. The dashboard features cutting-edge technology with a customizable display that provides real-time data on performance metrics. It's not just about driving, it's about experiencing the ultimate in automotive luxury. The car features advanced aerodynamics, adaptive suspension systems, and a sophisticated traction control system that ensures optimal performance in any condition. The Chiron's braking system is equally impressive, featuring carbon ceramic discs that provide unparalleled stopping power. This hypercar is designed to be not just fast, but also incredibly safe and manageable. Before we wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions about the Bugatti Chiron. Question: how much does the Bugatti Chiron cost? Answer: the Chiron starts at around $3 million, but customization options can significantly increase the price. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and keep dreaming big.